Let drinks be thy medicine. Lecture written by Dr. C.V. Alert. Meet Dr. Alert, a family doctor from Barbados. This quote, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," by Hippocrates, Greek philosopher and physician, and the father of medicine. Both undernutrition and overnutrition cause major health problems in various parts of the world. In most parts of the Caribbean, we still have pockets of undernutrition. However, overnutrition and its complications, such as overweight and obesity, really dominate the landscape. What we eat and what we drink play a significant role in health promotion and in disease prevention and management. To avoid various disease states, advising persons on variety, balance, and moderation of food and drinks is important in promoting a healthy lifestyle. It is perhaps unfortunate that in Barbados today, we have so many unhealthy persons that the focus of many physicians has switched towards attempting to treat rather than prevent disease. Simple, everyday changes in eating and drinking behaviors can go a long way in disease prevention and even the reversal of many disease states. So how do we turn our drinks into medicine and get medicinal effects from our drinking? Plain water is the most important drink for everyone, offering a myriad of health benefits. Prevents constipation. If you do not drink enough water, you are more likely to experience constipation. On the other hand, if you are constipated, drinking plain water can help ease symptoms. Drinking water regularly also helps to prevent constipation by ensuring unconstrained bowel movements. Aids digestion. Taking water before, during, and after a meal helps your digestive system to break down the food you eat more easily. Therefore, if you frequently experience digestive system problems, you should drink water immediately after you eat. Water supports your kidneys' health. Your kidneys play an important role in regulating blood pressure, maintaining water levels, and filtering waste. Water also boosts your skin health. Drinking water plumps up your skin cells, minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, which, keeps you looking younger. Plus, drinking water keeps your skin glowing by flushing out impurities and toxins that dull your skin from the body. And water makes you work out better. Before starting your home workouts or hitting the road, you should always strive to first consume adequate water. Although some people tend to drink water during workout sessions, what is optimal is that you should take adequate water before, during, and after workouts. Now, the adequate amount of water that you should drink depends on various factors such as the weather, your activity level, and how much you sweat. But you should drink at least 2 cups of water about 2 hours before working out and 5 to 10 ounces of water every 20 minutes during your workout sessions. Number 6. Improves mood. If your mood is low, you should consider taking a glass of water. Some cognitive problems, negative mood, fatigue, and anger can increase when you are dehydrated. To avoid stress and improve your mood, you should not wait until you are thirsty to drink water. Thirst is actually a symptom of dehydration. Dehydration is associated with increased anger, fatigue, and confusion, as well as decreased vigor. You need to drink adequate water for your body organs to work properly. Drinking water also helps to maintain healthy blood pressure and heart rate. Number 7, helps you control weight. A pre-meal glass of water can help persons avoid overeating and stay hydrated. Drinking 8 ounces, which is a normal-sized glass, of water prior to each meal can help improve satiety and increase overall water intake. In our very hot climate, drinking water, especially instead of sugar-sweetened beverages, is the desired option. Drinking water also eliminates the need to take beverages high in sugar that can make you gain weight. Number 8, boosts the immune system. Water plays a vital role in boosting the immune system in several ways, including flushing harmful toxins from your body and transporting oxygen to the body cells, ensuring proper functioning of the body. You know, the importance of drinking water on your health really can't be better highlighted than by the fact that drinking water actually helps fight the flu and its symptoms. Number 9, it flushes out toxins. Water helps your body get rid of harmful toxins through sweat and urine, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. And by getting rid of those toxins, water helps to keep the kidneys and urinary tract healthy. For this reason, you should always make sure you're drinking enough water to fully get rid of toxins from your body. Boosts your brain power. People tend to drink a cup of coffee or tea when they are looking for a mental performance boost. However, what they do not understand is that taking a glass of water is actually more beneficial to your brain than taking a cup of coffee. With 73% of your brain made up of water, drinking water regularly helps you focus, think, concentrate, and, just stay alert. Studies have shown that being dehydrated by just 2% affects your performance. Dehydration negatively affects your brain power by reducing your cognitive and motor skills. Prevents headaches. Drinking water helps to prevent and relieve headaches caused by dehydration. Prevents cramps and sprains. Dehydration is also associated with cramping and can lead to sprains. By drinking water, it makes your muscles and joints more flexible, reducing the likeliness of experiencing sprains and injuries. Regulates body temperature. Water is essential in regulating your body temperature. When it gets hot, your body uses sweat to cool down. Drinking water replenishes the lost fluid through sweat, ensuring that you are comfortable in a hot environment. Prevents bad breath. Most people don't know is that in addition to the kind of food you eat, bad breath can be a sign of depriving yourself enough drinking water. Drinking water frequently and after eating significantly aids in washing away oral bacteria and leftover food particles that cause bad breath. Helps your heart. Drinking a sufficient amount of water helps to maintain the proper viscosity of blood and plasma as well as the distribution of fibrinogen, thereby ensuring good heart health. Ensures efficient transportation of nutrients throughout the body. The minerals and nutrients dissolve in the water, making it possible for them to reach all your body parts. Water, really aids in keeping your eyes, nose, and mouth moist. Dry mouth and itchy eyes, for instance, can be exacerbated by the lack of drinking adequate water on a daily basis. Water also helps fight disease. Drinking adequate water can help fight off major diseases because water helps in keeping various body nutrients and minerals in balance. If you are drinking enough water daily, you are hence less likely to suffer discomforts and illnesses such as constipation, migraines, urinary tract infection, kidney stones, exercise-induced asthma, hypertension, and even diabetes. Alcohol. Of course, in our part of the world, it would be folly not to include a few thoughts about alcohol consumption. In the first instance, alcohol and children must never mix. All adults, if they must drink responsibly, and bear in mind the 3 stages and 6 Ds of alcohol consumption. Stage 1, dizzy and delightful, Stage 2, drunk and disorderly, and Stage 3, danger of death. Stages 2 and 3 should never be reached. There are, medical suggestions for safe quantities of alcohol consumption. So for females, it's recommended to have no more than 1 drink in a single day and no more than 7 drinks per week. And for males, the guideline is no more than 2 drinks in a single day and no more than 14 drinks per week. For all adults age 65 and older, the advice is to stick with no more than 1 drink a day and, no more than 7 drinks per week. A person's overall health status and previous experience with consuming alcohol may dictate that additional moderation efforts may be necessary. Hydration matters. Water is essential for digestion, metabolism, and overall bodily functions. Staying well hydrated improves energy levels, cognitive function, and supports weight management. Aim for at least 8 glasses per day and consume water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon. Tips for staying hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle. Invest in one with markers so you can keep track of how much fluid you have consumed. Drink before you get thirsty. Thirst is a sign of dehydration, so stay ahead by drinking before you experience thirst. So, here's a helpful tip. Create a routine. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water first thing every morning, before every meal, and before you go to bed at night. It's a simple change, but honestly, it can make a big difference in your daily hydration. Now, let's talk about some additional beverages. Herbal teas like chamomile, green tea, and peppermint have extra benefits, such as aiding digestion and boosting immunity. So, you might want to consider adding them to your routine as well. And, electrolyte drinks are recommended to replenish water and electrolytes for any high-intensity activity that lasts 20 minutes or more. It's important to stay balanced, especially when you're active. So when it comes to natural fruit juices, it's best to choose fresh, unsweetened juices with no added sugar. and if possible, with the fiber left in. That way, you're really getting the most benefit from your drink. Navigating social drinking can be a bit tricky, but here's a tip. Choose alternate drinks. Try to balance alcoholic beverages with water or soda water. This helps you stay hydrated and honestly keeps your alcohol intake to a minimum. You know, it's always a good idea to choose healthier options. So opt for light beers, wine spritzers, or even mocktails, which are just non-alcoholic cocktails instead of those sugary cocktails or heavy liquors. Your body will thank you for it. Set a limit. Decide your drink count in advance and stick to it, no matter the social pressure. Time your drinks. Spread out your drinks over the evening to avoid overindulging quickly. Don't drink on an empty stomach. Consuming a healthy meal before drinking helps slow alcohol absorption and reduces its effects. So folks, beware sugar-sweetened beverages. Excessive consumption of sugary drinks contributes to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and tooth decay. When it comes to portion control, if you choose to indulge, stick to small portions and savor your drink mindfully. And, you know, it's a good idea to opt for alternatives. Replace sodas and energy drinks with sparkling water, or maybe herbal teas. Read the label and check the sugar content in packaged drinks. Some may contain more sugar than you might expect. How climate impacts hydration needs. Adjust for heat. So in hot climates like the Caribbean, it's important to drink more water to replenish fluids lost through sweat. Avoid working or playing outdoors during the hottest parts of the day. Remember to account for your activity levels. It's important to increase your water intake during physical activities or, when you're spending extended time outdoors. Stay cool by opting for chilled water or honestly, even electrolyte beverages. This helps regulate your body temperature and keeps you feeling refreshed. Be sure to monitor signs of dehydration. Pay attention to symptoms like dry mouth, dizziness, or dark urine, because these can indicate you need more fluids. So the father of medicine, Hippocrates, was really spot on when he predicted that what one drank or ate could lower or raise one's chances of contracting a multitude of diseases. Of course, your eating and drinking habits should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle program, which, also includes regular exercise, safe sex practices, good sleeping habits, minimizing stress, and getting targeted regular checkups. Even though Hippocrates lived over 2,000 years ago, somewhere between 460 and 370 BC, his thoughts are still very much applicable.